I grew up in a neighborhood right next to right next to Harlem. Well, we had an interesting neighborhood. It was a little Irish neighborhood with Columbia University all on one side, like including everything connected with Columbia, like Juilliard School of Music was there, and the Union Theological Seminary, Jewish Theological Seminary, Riverside Church, St. Luke's Hospital, St. John the Divine Cathedral, all of that stuff on one side, and on the other side, Harlem. And we call our little neighborhood White Harlem, because it sounded bad, you know? Where you from? White Harlem. Hey. Sound tough, sound down. The real name was Morningside Heights.
Premier DJ, Premier DJ, Premier DJ, Premier DJ, when the hammer slaps the bullet on the ass from the clip. You wind up in a room full of my dogs. I have you feeling like a fire hydrant in a room full of dogs. So come now, get pissed on, shitted on. Tough talk turns to can't we all just get along? You get blazed when the mic's off, shot when it's on. You probably ducked when they laid the gunshot in your song. My gun stutters when it speaks to you. Other shit to repeat to you. Nothing to clip to give a speech to you. Me and Premier, we kinda the same in ways. We both speak with our hands in dangerous ways. Rap now is a circus of clowns. A whole lot of lip from clicks. I probably wrap circles around. I'm the next best to reach a peak, formerly known as the best kept secret. I guess that I just leaked it. Ricketts, tragic like the havoc of a nuclear bomb. Voice 5-9. Ricketts, tragic like the havoc of a nuclear bomb. I'm a motherfucking star, I don't battle no more. I provide the gun clapping round of applause after your show. Or we could go toe to toe, cause they calling you hot. Stepping around on your punches like it's all you got. Every day I'm meeting somebody and all of they peeps. Quick to shake a nigga's hand and show me all of they teeth. And these bitches I be patting their asses. They be all dumb and googly eyed looking at me batting their lashes. Rappers think Detroit niggas not as down as them. A sense that I'm down with Slim, that I sound like him. Quick to judge me and tell me that my hook might sell. And say faggot shit to me like I look like L. My advice, quit talking, it's over. I was knocking niggas out when you was knocking sticks off of their shoulders. I got dirt done in my past, I know y'all sweat. I got regrets older than some of you so-called vets. Niggas say I found God with the flow. Bring the police to the studio and bring the bomb squad to the show. Ain't a nigga touching minds. When you listen to my shit, you don't chew, you don't breathe, you will miss a fucking line. Every time I spit, I tick to show you it's hot. Leave me in the deck too long, I blow up your box. Boom!
wanna pursue situations wrongly. They say that a man's life gonna be what it's gonna be. So I switched the game around, and now it's on me. Control your destiny. You niggas keep testing me like you want me to show you how messy your mess can be. You're still a bang banger. When I'm Saratoga's finest, but first I'm father to Shania. You love me, get your honest.
Yo, Bill, what you stop for, man? What you stop for? Jesus, tell me how you feel.
As I struggle to get my hands on $1 today, I think back about cats that have passed away. That's why I feel more cursed than blessed. And I wonder what in this world more worse than stress. I'm a mess with stress, though I present it with finesse. Sometimes I feel as if my heart is coming out my chest. I smoke too many cigarettes, and the Remy won't wash away the pain. I'll get strain off my brain. See, it's the way we roll down here, so loud here. A shootout, it's like a common cold out here. That's why I sit back and I laugh at y'all. When it's crunch time on the front line, I will blast at y'all. I'm from Saratoga Avenue, I had to roll. Swear I realize it's a cold world, after all. You hear me talking to y'all? I'm on some grown dance shit.
You'll be coming of age.
My life is on a different page, able to tame my rage. A little bit different from the first time I picked up a gauge. A little bit different from the first time I stepped on the stage. Take a look at me now, I'm born winner. In a race against time like Bruce Jenner. A natural born sinner. Can't nobody tame me or change me.
For no reason at all, he's angry. Here.
Kill again.
Premier, DJ, Premier.
You are now tuned in to the works of Mart. Take 2 steps back, it's gonna hurt your paw. Who the fuck talking that they gonna hurt your mom? This ain't no diamond stutter rapper, it's the llama stutter slapper. Unpretty type rapper, pretty type rapper. 4-5 semi-automatic pipe clapper with them OGs in it. Please don't get your shit twisted like bamboo with no trees in it. Fall back, motherfucker, you can't beat me. It's the Womack, the extension of Danzini. We came into the game with some change for train fare. 2 Phillies, a down bag, and a 40 ounce of beer. Now look at them, they hitting the scene slow. Hoop riding and hoop these, but I'm looking mean, yo. But the gangsta lean, no, big dog in it. With my chrome 10-inch hubcaps, but I keep them clean, though. I know the pros and cons, so I married the game. Now it's mommy's little boy left to carry the name. I'm in the streets like a dope fiend with a shotman clock filled up a copper. Who the fuck gon' stop fame? Y'all niggas keep waiting till they pop fame. And hold your breath while you wait, bitch, I got game. Niggas ain't feeling the fame, bitch. Stop dreaming, I'm the shit that felt good coming out when my pop semen. Hit the streets and thug with me. No matter how disgruntled you sound, nigga, you can't fuck with me. Too many dick riders that's quick to go black. But look, bitch, I'ma let you know now. You fucking with thugs. What the fuck you think this was? So what you want me to be? Stop fucking with me, cause I'm a nigga of the earth, nigga of the sea, nigga of the sky and fire, flame fire, why Naya? Jump back at your men, it's MOP and we at it again. I ain't clapping over your head, I'ma make sure I pop something through you, giving motherfuckers ulcers with lead. Have your parents in the past to huddled over your bed. May the Lord be with you, game over, you're dead, motherfucker.
Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ.
Premier. Yes.
Premier, DJ, Premier.
I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. Cause if my name was Josie, a lot of you pussy cats would be out of the game, regardless of fame. Cause I hear a lot of the same, it's not impressive. Y'all should be more aggressive, you're too passive. And the rap game is too massive for niggas to be standing around trying to be him, rapping the same old bits and I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. Cause if my name was Josie, a lot of you pussy cats would be out of the game, regardless of fame. Cause I hear a lot I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. Cause if my name was Joseph, I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. Cause if I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. I'ma tell y'all one last time and one last rhyme and listen closely. Cause if my name was Josie, a lot of you pussy cats would be out of the game, regardless of fame. Cause I hear a lot of the same. It's not impressive. Y'all should be more aggressive, passive. And the rap game is too massive. Niggas to be standing around trying to beat him, rapping about the same old bins and him. I know the way. You can't win as a protege. So throw the crocodile shoes and mink coat away. Come back with flows, sharp and tack. I'll bump that in my pickup with the gun rack. Driving down the middle of 95, I'll be live, hoping that my song get a buzz like a beehive. I experience heavy breathing regardless of the season for one reason. Hip-hop's full of treason, I'm leaving, yo. It don't matter how many you sold, platinum or gold, hot or cold, yo. Y'all can keep on napping, but if you out there rapping, it will happen, yo. It's like death and taxes, you can't get by it, so don't try it, yo. You won't know it's your last left, your last breath. Yeah, I got a sick caper, smoother than Vicks Vapor. I can break you fast as a nigga that tricks paper. My main focus and purpose is make sure that nobody jerk us. Cause the rap game right now is a circus. I honestly hate rappers, most of them great actors, with songs that couldn't turn me on with 8 clappers. And the saddest thing is platinum status is king. If you got the sickest watch and the baddest ring, then you hotter than 3 cops in a weed spot with 3 Glocks and a search warrant, they thirst for it. I'm a sad soul, probably rap till I'm mad old and sound worse than DOC with a bad cold. I sit in my rocker and freestyle from a doctor. Stand up and shock you with hella flows like a copter. I'll show a young whippersnapper rapper I'm greater, and then have to rest later on a respirator, yo. It don't matter how many you sold, platinum or gold, hot or cold, yo. I can keep on napping, but if you out there rapping, it will happen, yo. It's like death and taxes, you can't get by it, so don't try it, yo. You won't know it's your last left, your last breath. In the game of rap, there'll be none of that coming back. As soon as a nigga drop the ball like a running back, it's over. You can make a song with Jehovah, get DMX to sing the hook. Nigga, look, it happened to the best, and it's gonna happen to the rest. So I hope you don't think you're immune to the same doom. We can be in 2 different states of the same room, it don't matter. I'ma hear your career shatter. I personally know a few, tried to show a few. They got back in the ring to try to go with you. It ain't the same, believe me, it ain't the name, it's not the label. You can do a show on cable, you can go to the Source Awards, pay the Ku Klux a few bucks, drag you around with a blue truck. Rap fans will walk on by when you pass death and laid out and just finished taking your last breath, yo. It don't matter how many you sold, platinum or gold, hot or cold, yo. Y'all can keep on napping, but if you out there rapping, it will happen, yo. It's like death and taxes, you can't get by it, so don't try it, yo. You won't know it's your last left, your last breath.
Y'all dance with us. Hip hop, what? Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, y'all. Dance with us. Hip hop. What? Street corner. All my niggas. Crack spot niggas. We made it. We made it. Envious bitches. We made it. Yo, you know what y'all. We everyone pop something. No champagne, 2-5 on me, weed and cracks on me. Bitch motherfucker try to get a rap off me. Leave them there, never know, get them off me. I remember days when we just fuck bitches. Bought a lot of clothes and played the ass. Now we rap niggas with a lot of wardrobes. And if we want a nigga dead, we pay the cash. I ain't tryna waste my career on y'all. Even scuffy with you waste gear on y'all. But if I gotta go out, you know I'ma show out. You gon' fuck around and get your whole back blown out. I remember on the alley, K-Tone out. In the mess hall about to zone out. Thug motherfuckers with our microphone now. We just thug motherfuckers with our microphone now. See me, I roll with ghosts in. Cast that cabbie, they toast, make the post in. Front page in, center station. When it's time to bust off them things, it ain't a game, man. We rock our own diamond ring. See them bring, man. Got big boy toys, push 6 dime bitches. Told y'all before we import those. Jury stay froze, court cases get closed. Niggas hate me, no, cause I fast I rose up. Like George Jefferson and them stepping on them. The headline read Starks had the weapon on him in a vest. What y'all expect? He a vet, trust the best. Now tell me how we gon' fail when we dealing with supreme clientele. From Rikers Island to the Cayman Island. We thugs like life is the same challenge. Do the knowledge, recognize your talent. And if you live the streets, you better stay silent. For real, from Rikers Island to the Cayman Island. We thugs like life is the same challenge. Do the knowledge, recognize your talent. And if you live the streets, you better stay silent. Yo, spotted at the Mirage, ghost face, swarmed by groupies, mingle among stars. I come in cat, invade Mars. Highlight of the century, first bet placed upon entry. Fainted when the book mentioned me. Keep ballin', new systems, high signs just drop, they ghost listening. Track sizzling, Angelica, Judy Plump for bitches, going King Edison. Bestsellers for niggas, stay together, posted up truck, leaning on the bench, Cinemax, smile shot, 35 lands a program, broke bottles of Dawn, 7-inch Bengals, back breakers, I'm a dope fiend. Look at my arm, Popeye strength, rap with a British accent. Gucci rolls, Dennis Coles in the latest fashion, blowbacks in, flip raps like 48 bundles. Dinner place, deli front gate, the rap Brian
like a Nero, words in your center ear hole, box of ice like Sub-Zero. We've been right since day zero. Shatter your soul like glass windows, turn virgins to nymphos. Pop these hollows at fake cats in the Tahoe. Wild out, throw your liquor bottles at hood rats to the richest models. We conversate like Christ and the 12 apostles. And life without you had counsel with great men to murderers in a state pen, being caged in the wages of sin. Before they read up, they pop that tape in. You ain't gotta tuck your chain in. This year we want the head of Satan. Do rags in our pants hanging. That's right, y'all. Street corners. Jail niggas. Rikers Island. To Green Haven. Big Iron. That's right, y'all. Word up. Oh, yeah. We made it, niggas. Step the fuck off. Doing D. Yeah, ready, bad. That's right, my nigga born. That's right, yo. Little freedom head. That's right, Jimmy, home nigga.
Premier, DJ, Premier, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ,
Writing ability, long life, precision, value, and or reputation. Just look for the name. Writing ability, long life, precision, value. Writing ability, long life. Writing ability, long life. Writing ability, long life. Writing ability, long life, precision, value, and or reputation. Just look for the name.
huh?
Just look for the name.
Huh? Body bag shit.
Just look for the name.
Huh? Body bag shit.
Just look for the name.
Huh?
Just look for the name.
Huh?
Just look for the name.
Huh? Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, running the show. What? Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, coming for dough. What? Yeah. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, who wanna know? What? Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, Yo, put on my sounds, hit the bass up, hold. Put on pounds, get your weight. Yo, put on my sounds, hit the bass up, hold. Put on pounds, get you. Yo, put on my sounds, hit the bass up, hold. Put on pounds, get your weight up. I'm in the game now, take the crown and all them posters. Yo, put on my sounds, hit the bass up, hold. Put on pounds, get your weight up. I'm in the game now, take your crown and all them posters. You better take it down and all the chauffeurs. Better make your rounds, you get a phone call. You better make it now. I came to shut shit, the gate is down. Y'all nondescript, and the drama that I bring is beyond the script. A lot of chicks coming up, but to sum it up, I used to feel a lot of shit. Now I'm numbing up, I take advantage. Triple with your advances, your chances slim like Eminem. Play one and make advances. Something every week drop, a few on the scope, hoping to find a weak spot, but I'm on point as you see in my name. On a bad night, I'm still MVP of the game. That's right, niggas. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, running the show. Let's go. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, still MVP of the game. That's right, niggas. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, running the show. Let's go. Body bag shit. That's right, niggas. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, running the show. Let's go. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, coming for dough. Body bag shit. Sonya Blade, nigga, who wanna know? What? Primo, yo. Switch the beat up, yo. Let's take it to the streets for these niggas. Middle finger out the sunroof, blowing through the intersection. No hope bar, blows hard. Middle finger out the sunroof, blowing through the intersection. Middle finger out the sunroof, blowing through the intersection. No middle finger out the sunroof, blowing through the intersection. No hose bar flow. Middle finger out the sunroof, blowing through the intersection. No hose bar flows hard like an erection. Unmarketable, play remarkable. I hold my ground like the carpet do. No dues, no news. I reign at showbiz. You hate that showbiz. The body hot as the flow is. Show is, nigga, play rhymes poser. Threat on a bet, nigga, play time's over. As holder, I'm like blood, cause I stay in the cut. Push your album back when I'm laying the cut. Play severe, play premiere. The way we born is like James, I flow like Avion. Black Avion, full figures, full niggas like triggers. Blow, conceited chick, head high pose, bed style flows. The trauma when I drop like the mama is cold. What?
Just look for the name.
On your plate, you say what you want. Spell my name right. You want war, yes or no? No. It's got the effect of the rap.
Just look for the name.
On your plate, you say what you want. Spell my name right. You want war, yes or no? So ill.
Talk slick all you want,
Yeah, I know you motherfuckers probably had it with me, but I'm in it for the dough, so it don't matter with me. Y'all chicks be cute and shit, but need help with songs. Got a little click, but everything else is wrong. Look, don't get gas, dear, cause for the past year, I wrote millennium hits, shit you tried last year. And this is my realm, you ain't gon' last here. I call the cashier to get my cash here. Hit the mall for my gear, rocks all in my ear. Blade on my neck and it's not for nothing. Rolling with the pink face like the watch is blushing. Woo! You see that shit, believe that shit. So I never sweat niggas, I'm too cold for that. Picture me hating on the bitch, I'm too old for that. And if y'all wanna get it on, I'ma hold you to that. I know my shit is double flat if you ain't gold for that.
Just look for the name.
On your plate, you say what you want. Spell my name right. You want war, yes or no? No. Respect the effect of the rap.
Just look for the name.
On your plate, you say what you want. Spell my name right. You want war, yes or no? So ill.
talk slick all you want,
Just look for the name.
On your plate, on your plate. Premier, DJ, Premier, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier, Premier, DJ,
Gangsta, OG hustler,
Show love. We show love. Check. Check. Shorty put it down on about 3 corners. Caddy cool piped out, Bacardi liming out. Rocks in your ear. Heavy shit you're loving to own. Diamond so big, you think it's rhinestones. This cheese niggas be like mice. This cheese niggas quick to squeeze and slice. PJs, Carolina Woods. From the alleys of Cali, what a fool, it's all good. Scrambling man, handling whatever. In the act, from guns to crack, smoke a black. Drink cognac, fuck something. You're backed up in the GMC truck bumping. 35 for the bike, chain in the cross, flooded. H-class setup, fully studied. Y'all know the game and the life. If you live it, then live it. Niggas quick to kill your spirit. Easy gats from waist to sight. Set you up like Springer on the stage to fight. Motherfuckers better recognize when they tell you run that, you better raise them high. In this day and time, yo, the hood don't play. Fuck Y2K, you be saying why today? From Benzes to 6'4's, OGs and hustlers, lay it down the law. Yo, respect the game, never hate, get your money up. Keep a big gun or a little one, shoot to kill, never waste. If it's down to your corn, liquor make it taste. This is for my true young G's that live it to death, and the ones that died and left. Check. That dollar shit make you fiend. Cream, nigga. Make you fiend to sling to the dope fiend. Let's lean. Breeze through silicone down. How many of y'all know what it's all about? Shining. Whether crime in or rhyming. Find them in cherry whip with thick hips and rubber pistol grips that are blast. Leaving hallway shot up in a lot of dead ass. Yo, the money scheme is this. I make you lace your pinky. 5 carats of high grade real blinky. Down low's busy where you stash the work. Where you smash the skirt. Where you splash the jerk. Where you from don't matter if you're running the loop. Better pack heat, never be scared to shoot. From the curl to the fro to the braid. Many got paid, got laid, and got sprayed. Pimp that broad. Philly to Chi-Town, the 5th Ward. Regulate with the Marsburg sort off. Every OG in the maximum. Hold your head when you touch down, dog. We break bread. Take 100 proof to the head a lot. God bless, let the gangster rock. You heard? From Benzes to 6'4's, OGs and hustlers, lay it down the law. Yo, respect the game, never hate, get your money up. Keep a big gun or a little one, shoot to kill, never waste. If it's dog, be your corn, liquor be your taste. This is for my true young G's that live it to death, and the ones that died and left. Gangsta, OG, hustler. Love, love. Yeah.
Premier, DJ, Premier, Premier, DJ,
I like the way it's going down. It's on now. We recruited Keith, which made our loot increase.
The streets is ours. Leave you sleep with flowers. Time to decorate a death. I hope Keith ain't a coward.
Do you trust him to bust his guns with us?
He crushed rocks for us, runs the spots for us.
That don't mean shit, King, cause if we get crossed, he gets torched and tossed up on his porch. No love lost, as long as we living.
You be getting doubts sometime, but he fit in. He's a chief spender, like me and you as beginners.
We drug sinners.
We covering thugs again. Remember when we plugged that worm from the West, BX?
Yes, word to the S, he rests.
That's over by Keith Way.
Know what's up with that kid Keith? Did he pick up that big piece of rock from the Mid-East?
I gave him at least 6 beefs. He didn't call me. Did he call you?
Yeah, he bored me with a story.
Plus this, let's all 3 of us discuss this over at Jim's Calf after I get cash.
Staff members gotta be controlled like bad tempers. I had to injure Matt sitting last winter. Half the math we added to the stash with stack.
Keith finally answered back.
That's the jack. Worm where your ass was at. Time is money. Do you wanna manage crack? Yeah, I'm still hungry.
I hope he don't find it funny. We fall from humorous. We got numerous spots. Stop the foolishness.
Soon as this finish this year, I'ma give him a share then in his career.
He was with us a year. Sizzling cold, chiseling rock.
Here we are once again. We're about to get ready to do what we've been doing all this time. Y'all thought we lost the episodes. We didn't lose them. We just held them back from you a little while, but right about now, we're about ready to blow up the spot.
I respect all women, man. As long as they respect themselves. I respect all women, man. As long as they respect themselves. I respect all women, man. As long as they respect themselves. I respect all. I respect all. I respect all. I respect all. I respect all, man. As long as they respect themselves. That's still a point speaking. Lava, still a point. Black
Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier,
Give love, I die-hearted real bitches that stick through their man through the bullshit with good loving and good fucking all night long. What makes a young killer feel strong, you know? You went from black thong to black stem hoe, you know? With a lifestyle bigger than door knockers. With a left-hand bodyguard like John Rocker. Killer Crocker. You serve pain, but that didn't stop ya. All for the money, got to prosper. Blame me for the babies we kill. Ain't that ill? I'm the one who wants to go to hell with it. And I'm acting kinda self-finish. What up? Alright, stop it, motherfucker. Let's get down, alright? Yes.
You know you wanna touch me. You know you wanna touch me. I know you wanna kiss me. I want you to kiss me. I know you wanna fuck with me. But why can't you love me?
She moved above the law, 50 G's in the floor. Type to bring Whitney a key right to her door. Wiping for drug law, living the China white. If you got her high enough, you can fuck her with a stick of dynamite. Tie her up, smack her, fuck, have your way. I met her Wednesday, had that by Saturday. She was half black, born in Seoul, Korea, raised in an orphanage. The men would often come to see her. The nuns didn't stop the soldiers from raping her, which is why she had panic attacks like Kim Basinger. Months went by, I heard she put bass in her stove, lit it with a stove. Stole all the grace and her soul. I saw it in her face, she was losing control, confusing the role. Her cat flow disintegrated like her ass, yo. She fell victim to the rotten apple. Say goodbye to the boss. Kingpin wants a divorce. She was diagnosed with cancer, heard it from the source. Now she monitors from manger to manger, looking to be held. What?
I know you wanna touch me. You know you wanna touch me. I know you wanna kiss me. I want you to kiss me. I know you wanna fuck with me. But why can't you love me?
Saw me running through, gun inside the face, goose. Saw what the struggle do. I mean, you act like your fake friends is loving you. They undress in front of me and I'm uncomfortable. Figure I just come to you, try to confide. But then I start thinking about the last time you lied. Booby cat, what you got to hide? What I saw burned my eyes like chloride. All I wanna know is why. I wasn't even trying to spy. Come home, dice from Bed-Stuy, all inside. Should've known. All you did was pull me down, I should've grown. Canceled the mortgage on the home. Dead to people plus the cellular phone, I let you roam. Now I got to leave you alone. Harsh reality is the case. Like when you spit in the wind, it might come back in your face. I just came to get my shit. No anger. You was the one kissing a stranger.
Premier DJ Premier Premier DJ
Premier
Premier DJ Premier DJ
Premier.
Yeah, we got all my people up in here representing for the DJs, the foundation. So I'm gonna let my man Chase heat it up first. Yeah, we got all my people up in here representing for the DJs, yeah, we got all my people up in here representing for the DJs, the foundation. So I'm gonna let my man Chase heat it up first. Hey yo, it's on you. Yeah, we got all my people up in here representing for the DJs, the foundation. So I'm gonna let my man Chase heat it up first. For the DJs, the foundation. So I'm gonna let my man Chase heat it up first. Hey yo, it's on you, man. The
Phonographic operators, originators of hip-hop, orchestrate the beat drop, the disc job, perfect patterns of rhythm for the voice mechanism to bust to. One flick of the wrist to cut you. Audible technician of wax, assassinate the sound wave with scratch. Juggle beats and bring it back, transform that regular sound to some fat, provided by Red, engineer of the wax.
My DJ and wax, yellow like solar 8 tracks, spin and play back. This course can I make it lay flat without their headphones. Never leave the DJ's head blown. Crying down, stand strong beyond your soft song. Sing along sound. Most underground nicks turn down like Whitney Houston. You getting no play from Revolution. Witness radical. Roundhouse rap. You keep choosing heavy hitting. Best take vanilla technician. Ride and rob. Monster mission. Revolve wax with precision. Dissolve through jacks with ammunition.
You know exactly how it started. It's the DJ. The reason that you rockin' to this jam on the freeway. The bone is back. You don't know we be on the attack. And if it wasn't for these cats, I'll be rocking the dats. We couldn't hide that. I do my thing for real. I'm from the days when they used to call it wheels of steel. Ones and twos. We can do whatever you choose. Some brothers think they DJs, but they ain't paid the dues. The bottom line, my sound system ready to shine. They provide the foundation so a brother can rhyme. So next time you looking for some live effects, call up your local DJ and give them mad respect. From Cool Herc to Cut Creator, DJ Scratch the executioners. From beat junkies to Van Rock, Daddy Rich and Revolution plays the backbone. Cause when it comes to being the main rapper, let's not forget that the disc jockey plays the main factor. Catch a cut like the Master Kurt. With no mistakes, you couldn't catch us in the show over that tapes. We digging in the crates, big up the Primo, P-Rock and Diamond D. Cause if it wasn't for the DJs, there would be no MCs. Disc Josh created hip-hop. The backbone.
They used to do it out in the park.
Disc Josh created hip-hop. The backbone.
So if you understand what I'm talking about, remember
Disc Josh created hip-hop. The backbone.
why the techniques change, MCs getting down.
Disc Josh created hip-hop. Backbone.
Brought the record down to the backbone. With a revolution slice, we cuts ice out of your shine. 2 hands, 2 techniques, and 1 freak in the mix. Tricks with these, juggling and rhyme cutting. Spin it back, transform, play a scratch and all that. Mix and match the rhythm, revolution hits 'em with wisdom. Tearing up the party with this turntablism. Is it I? Yes, harder now, representing the circle. Microphone controller, so hot, my speech pattern solar. When I heads to the west, my best is nothing less than the #1 DJ mixing with finesse. Yes, Mr. Oakshall, T-Dot rocks with no questions asked. React and get slapped.
Now who cuts nice and juggle right and splice all beats and backs up the illest to the greatest MCs and control the club scenes and shows y'all see and make 2 into 1 and 1 into 2 beats. Quick on the cuts and battle with his hands and still rip the show on the stage left abandoned. Revolutionize the way hip hop plays. Enough MCs live shows they saved. You feel me? Feel me? Red be locking the throne and DJ the hip hop stay the backbone. I slide on my own shot, clear the ill flow from the T.O.
True turntables, a backbone to make it able for these MCs to spit. And if they weak, kind of fade the It's flamboyant, y'all. Yeah. Coleon, y'all. Me and my man was cruising through the streets and everything was flowing nice. The corners crowded, niggas must be rolling dice. I parked the ride so my nigga I rock can crash the lot spot. And I'ma gamble until he come back. Why not? It's flamboyant, y'all. Yeah. Coleon, y'all. Me and it's flamboyant, y'all.
flamboyant, y'all. Yeah, it's flamboyant, y'all. It's flamboyant, y'all. It's flamboyant, y'all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Coleon, y'all. It's flamboyant, y'all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Coleon, y'all. Me and my man was cruising through the streets and everything was flowing nice. The corners crowded, niggas must be rolling dice. I parked the ride so my nigga I-Rock can crash the lot spot. And I'ma gamble until he come back. Why not? Click, clack, cock the gat back, gotta be strapped. The game was mad packed, mad cats pockets was fat. They playing CeeLo, my dick get hard when I see dough. I bet nothing less than a G, yo. You know my stilo. First I was losing, then I started throwing head crack. After head crack, got my bread back, jumped in my red act. I'm waiting for my nigga to come out of the spot. I see niggas starting to plot and I'm far from my block. Finally he walked out, told him hop the fuck in. On my face he saw the grin and said, how much did you win? I estimated about 45, maybe 50 G's. My man was hungry so I dropped him off at Mickey D's. Now I'm alone heading home to rest my dome. Spotted some niggas trailing so I picked up the phone. Called Bones, I said, yo son, I'm on the run. Need your help before I get done. Meet me downstairs, bring your big gun. I don't believe this. This nigga said he can't make it cause some bitches in his house butt naked. And then he hung up and it's supposed to be my man and he don't give a fuck. That duck sold me out just to get a nut. What? I'm cruising fast and they still behind me. The same nigga who I won the money from and his grimy crimey. It's about to get real hasty. Grabbed the steel, took it off safety cause I refuse to let these niggas waste me. I started to cruise fast and stopped short and made him crash. And now them bags was all bloody from the shattered glass. And one of them had passed when his face smashed the dash. I was injured too, leaking with a deep gash. I ain't panicked, I was quite calm. Couldn't use the right arm, so I grabbed the gap with the left. Walked up to the car, the creep was stuck in the seat. Looked at him, shook my head and started bucking my heat. It's over now cause both of these motherfuckers asleep. I think I'm dying, I'm feeling weak out on my feet. But before I got some medical help, I had to catch a cab first. The 141st and Bradhurst, that's where Bones lived. Walked in the building, staggering, looking tore down. Shot his door down and beat his hoe down. From the look in my eye, he knew he would die. Started to cry, stuck the gap to his head and said, why? Then he offered me all of his cheese. Then dropped to his knees and begged me please not to squeeze. Then his brains got blasted out, his ass out. Then I dashed out into the streets covered with blood. About to pass out, the hospital's up a couple of blocks. I'm on my way, but damn, here comes a couple of cops. I pulled out and started blowing. They started blowing back. I'm going all out. I ain't holding back. I've been to jail once and I ain't going back. I kept shooting. One shot caught a cop dead in his top. The other pig ducked behind a big truck. I was bleeding real bad and couldn't stop it, but still had the 50,000 profit in my pockets. The coast was clear, so I jetted to a park that was near. Seen kids playing everywhere and threw the cash in the air. I watched all of them run for their share, and all I could do was stare. I got weak and fell on my rear. Now I can hear the sirens. That means here comes the Jakes, but it's too late. I'm knocking on the pearly gates. Yeah, casualties of a dice game. Never gamble with stakes. Let that be a lesson to you. Yeah, it's Coleon, y'all. Yeah, it's flamboyant, y'all. Big L, y'all. Flamboyant, baby.
It's one for Click Clap, though, huh?
Now or never.
Oh, man.
Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ,
Premier. Back against the wall. Let's do it. Throw it. Yo, hey yo, long suffering.
Sick of hustling, street repping. Heavy presence jumping out the Mark 7 with the Mac 11.
You bitch niggas catch 7.
I got the wisdom in the Lizzie live, pass me the lever. I be the lightning and the thunder and the rain, bad weather. Whatever. Hey yo, scrambling, handling, block hustling, dice gambling, weed blowing, Jack Danielin, staggering, live shit, 516, man. Fake guys, take 5, candy coated, MCs, cannons blowing, pistols blazing, hot like the missiles Cajun. It's Triton's and it's Love Taven, Gambinos, Young Ninos, cock on the twin dad's ego, pump lead for the dead prayers, we dead people. There's no sequel, only way is illegal. It's life now.
We perform with a count,
Smoke up an ounce, underground first, it don't work if it's bounce.
raw.
Niceness, real when we spit. If you don't like what I'm saying, you can suck my eye.
West side, get live. Overseas, get live. Dirty South, get live. East side, stay live.
All the Thundercats, where you at? Old man Neil God, where you at? Billy down, belly right, where you at? Belly right, where you at?
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Yo, I'm the wise, intelligent, a human element. Negotiate the settlement, a process of slow development. Yo, my words is like medicine. Born with the arms of a Pegasus, mind of a Vietnam veteran. Right now, I'm nicer than I ever been. Follow the leader. I'm the Elohim of sneakers. My species is Intermoeba. I died in the kingdom of a Sheba. I'm a spirit trapped in the speaker. Right now, I pass my nigga on a receiver.
Yo, rock chopping, quarter rock, rock stocking. Cap underneath my fitted hat, my walk bopping. Pull ahead with full clip, empty out the carton. Smoke cigarette, Newport, by the carton. I seen a few of y'all, who were y'all? Lost orphans. Run around town, swim around like dolphins. Orphans and fishes, I want bigger portions like Johnson and Kmart and Walton. Cop singers get the top finger.
And they shot from a 9mm.
Touching every centimeter, head decapitator.
Put holes in your navigator.
My Cali niggas with fishnets and activator. The aggravator, blood all on your alligator.
Do it like that.
Yeah, y'all niggas feel it. Get live. Yo, Bill to the death. Word the mother or a song. I'm Rico Bill.
We can fall when it counts. Smoke up an ounce. Underground first, it don't work if it's bounce. Raw, nice, that's real when we spit. You don't like what I'm saying, you can suck my eye. West side, get live, get live, get live. Overseas, get live, get live, get live. Better south, get live, get live, get live. East side, east side.
Get live.
Get live.
All my real niggas, we get live, people everywhere. We get live on my Cali nooks. Get live, all them down south niggas get live. All my Canada niggas get live. East Coast niggas get live. Bullet Coast niggas get live. Stick up kids get live. Soul train gangster, for sure aim gangster when I blow things gangster. Nail murder you quick. Plenty cash, make hot, bang, stop, drop, 4, 5, 6. If you're flat arm dangle, I'm a side arm angle. Push your shit back, make it whack, charm tangle.
I got verses that'll make you say that nigga is nice. Start a bit more, my demo make them bigger the price. I only understand K-money, slave with the monkeys. Satin two rags, backwoods, keeping it funky. Freaks pumping me, my album is unisex. Niggas and bitches, my career plan is figures and misses. Members of this is a Mobilari, Cherry Ferrari. 5 speed, if she's stupid, I'ma marry a body. Freaks and wide body, cut and wing, go through the spoiler. Donuts and CBR, super yard, turn in the corner. Bugatti's on the C12, I won't see you in hell. A speed demon racing me, I put your wife in the veil. Jack Daniels on my breath, I bag honeys with feathers. When I walk past, you smell Chanel, money and leather. Mr. Murder, Mr. Big, you never been in the box. You got 9 natural hoes, I make it 10 to your top. The team comes steady, the Mobilari motherfuckers. And that's my word, we trying to blow the team comes steady, the Mobilari motherfuckers. Make front page, you niggas better ask for the fact.
Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ, Premier, DJ,
Yeah, son, shit is rare, you know what I'm saying? A man from the condemned, not exalted by the word, you know?
Big I feeling my little niggas going through the struggle, man.
Brooklyn,
y'all niggas hang on, I mean, can't hold on and hang on, baby. Hold up, niggas.
Yo, I seen it all. Coke rise and kingdoms fall. Prophets and sneaker bosses, riches hidden between the walls. The hood agony. I'm one of the few who ever understood tragedy. Batteries not included in my music, or holding up my spinal cord. Niggas be lying on wax, committing final fraud. Denying the fact they never slung a fire to gat. Megaton is ghetto done. Hello, where I'm from is the crime and graffiti. And NYPD, broken glass, 44s, open casket, shorty ballin' pop shit when they rock hit the basket. The only life we know, I flow so precisely, yo. My chain got the icy glow. Beamer deep with Lorenzo, shine brightly, yo. Now, try later, one day I might be broke and telling niggas I need coke. Shit is real.
Good Lord, give it, then he take it away. When niggas talking and don't live it, then they forced to pay. I'm just trying to be a man in this poison land. Forgive me, Father, they forced my hand. Yeah, see, good Lord, give it, then he take it away. When niggas talking and don't live it, then they forced to pay. I'm just trying to be a man in this poison land. Forgive me, Father, they forced my hand. Yeah. Visualize Mafia is a shorty, Fidel Castro, snotty nose, nappy afro. Never realized in due time what I would have though. Yo, before I spit at a hoe, I used to bag up blow. Little bastard, rockin' Pumas under 2 tones. As we roam from the streets to the group home, yo. Watching mall flicks, clapping at imaginary targets. Adolescents up in Sparfit, facing hardships. Newborns growing and eating bacon songs in the hood, wondering why police hate us all. Up late nights, waiting for the next day to fall. We up late nights, waiting for the next day to fall. My stomach hurting, still searching for a way out. On the island when PC was a gay house. Made my first ball, stabbing niggas on the way out. I knew cats who got bagged they first day out. So, good Lord, give it, then he take it away. When niggas talking and don't live it, then they forced to pay. I'm just trying to be a man in this poison land. Forgive me, Father, they forced my hand. Yeah, said good Lord, give it, then he take it away. When niggas talking and don't live it, then they forced to pay. I'm just trying to be a man in this poison land. Forgive me, Father, they forced my hand.
Yo, Trash, we've been down for years. From rapping in the hood to promising careers. It's all good, yo, the rap game is new to me. The crack game, true to me. Accept the consequences and the blood money cruelty. Yo, remember you and me? Back in the days, you had a sheepskin, I had a goose and pumas and crazy. That's in the same dome as C-74.
Yo, walking out the jail, walking out the jail. If I could break you out the courtroom and clap through reporters, kidnap the jurists and whack all they daughters, the Montanas, Alpos and Rich Porters, Mandela time, get smacked with 2 quarters, a light speed, fucking with cracks and weed. Yo, I sniffed so much coke, I froze with nosebleeds, jumping over snow cliffs without the skis. Then I saw shit was real and I switched my steeds. Yo, good Lord, give it, then he take it away. Niggas talking and don't live it, then they forced to pay. I'm just trying to be a man in this poison land. Forgive me, Father, they forced my hand. Forced my hand.
Premier DJ Premier Premier DJ
Premier
Premier DJ Premier DJ
Premier. Yeah, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Fuck her, never knew her, screw her.
Premier DJ Premier.
What you expected from his next to kin? I'm Mongo, bro, but ain't no Mexican. I got nines in the bedrooms, Glocks in the kitchen. A shotty by the shower if you wanna shoot me while I'm shitting. The lesson from the Smith & Wesson is depressing. Niggas keep stressing the same motherfucking question. How many shots does it take to make my heart stop and my body start to shake? If I should die before I wake, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I
Put up
wake.
that snapper nigga shit, smashing with the fifth. Watch his body lift, shut his hottie's lips. Bitch screaming, hit her body quick. Got me like the trifles, not knowing how my life is. My life is rap sheet, long as the turnpike is. Shifers, hey fella, who bit it with the lifers? Did it with the Glocks, bit it with your pops, you wasn't diapers. Love me when you came to Rikers, hated me all in the free cipher. Mad, you can't be like us. Some of us who turn bikers. See Biggie Smalls recruited these snipers. Alumni doing just like us. Some hard pipers, squeezing life out y'all. It's all out war. Beyond wild is all outdoor. If a coward got deep, I'll be checking his paw. Paralyzer, my nigga Thorough Kid, hop out yours. Real quick to screwing niggas in, pop out fours. Clean the wipers, hit the party up, hop out yours. Bitch nigga.
Whoa, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake.
But when you fucking with Mac, you fucking with the best. Still going to war with them dusty texts. Man, you know how I handle my shit. SK can my shit. Jump out of vans like Hannibal Smith. Man, I spit 1,000 rounds. Squad don't need it. Shredders in the riot, pump me, you quadriplegic. When I squeeze, don't breathe, keep it lined and even. So when niggas get hit, they be crying, screaming, lying, bleeding. From that iron scheming, and I ain't trying to hear that bullshit. I ain't mean it. Niggas start bitching when that pistol in their face, or I'm sick too pissed to come and get you in your place. If I catch you in my shit, I'm waking my bitch and taking this shit, cracking a brick, facing that shit, taking 2 sniffs, grabbing my shit. Best believe if I get hit, y'all niggas taking some shit. Bitch, niggas taking my shit.
With my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake, with my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake.
Niggas never thought they'd see Cuban Biggie in the year 2000, all drunk and pissy off whiskey. You can miss me, acting gay. He's the king of New York, I'm the king of LA. Doing it the OG way. It's sorta like the Brooklyn way, it's just a crooked man. So this is dedicated to the memory of the notorious one, the glorious one. And if you go for your gun, I got to go for mine. Cock my 9 and separate your head from your spine. So grab your dicks if you love hip hop, and fuck you niggas that shot Big Pop. The conspiracy of this nation for assassination of the young black male when it's black hell. And I can tell, no matter the weather, that you and Tupac got your shit together. California love.
With my hands gripped, praise the Lord, shit. Our Father. If I should die before I wake.
Yeah, ain't nothing gonna stop us now, boy. We in it, what they gonna do now, my nigga? What they gonna do now? What they gonna do with your man? Huh? Doing nothing with me right here. All right,
Premier DJ Premier
first time my son said,
Premier, DJ Premier,
I said, my little nigga's gonna be ill. I used to keep krills inside his diaper on Murderville. That's when a nigga used to have to serve for real. On the block with nerves of steel. But now for the money, I prefer to kill. It's less time on the ground, and it's more lucrative than them nickels and dimes. Get bitches without trying, I am the Lord divine. Electric chair rhyming while you in the game whining. I mastermind and blast my nine and cause his asses with the iron. Brand new 2000 tyrant, modern day pirate, kamikaze pilot. Can't hear out my left ear from heavy fire, and I'm buck 50. Make more moves than the gypsies. You got the verse shot, but you never should have missed me. I put two in your head and jet to Poughkeepsie, getting tipsy. With two bad bitches with me, believe it or not, fuck you, I ain't Ripley, I'm buck 50.
I feel like Rocky Kid when he ran for step again. Ain't nothing can stop me, baby. They scared. They scared you, man. They scared of me, Paul.
I'm fortunate cause I get off on shit that makes most nauseous. Never